How to block someone on Gmail. If you find this video useful, consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so locate the email that you would like to block someone on Gmail. Click on the email. So basically we clicked on an email that is a news article. As we can see as we scroll down, there's a bunch of stories. But unfortunately when we click on the news article, it will only allow me to read so much unless if I sign up. If we scroll down, we can't really do much. We can reply or we can forward the email. But if we were to scroll upwards, locate the three dots or icons right here and click more. And then click the button where it says a block. And then it says right here, are you sure you want to block this email address? If you do, future messages will not be received. And then we mark this spam and click block. And then now it says you have successfully blocked this email and new messages will be sent to spam. Check out the playlist for more videos like this and subscribe to the channel if you found this useful.